I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Iron Man in Marvel Rivals. Iron Man is a versatile hero, dominating the battlefield from above with his advanced suit. He specializes in mid-range engagements, delivering precise repulsor blasts and powerful unibeam attacks. Mastering his aerial mobility is key to outmaneuvering opponents and securing objectives. We will cover his core abilities and strategic applications to help you become an unstoppable force. Let's dive into Iron Man's core abilities. His repulsor blasts are your go-to for consistent damage, effective at medium range. For a powerful burst, unleash the Unibeam, a devastating energy beam that can pierce through foes. Don't forget his flight, which allows you to quickly reposition and escape danger. Finally, smart missiles provide excellent area of effect damage, hitting up to 3 targets simultaneously. To maximize Iron Man's potential, always seek the high ground. Staying airborne makes you a harder target for many heroes and provides clear sightlines. Focus your attacks on key enemy heroes, such as their support or primary damage dealers, to disrupt their team. Remember to chain your Unibeam into your repulsor blasts for a devastating 1-2 punch. Use your flight not just for offense, but also to quickly retreat when overwhelmed. Iron Man truly shines with good team synergy. He pairs well with heroes who can protect him or set up targets, like those with stun abilities. Try to coordinate your powerful Unibeam with an ally's ultimate for a devastating combo that can wipe out multiple enemies. Don't be afraid to use your flight to flank opponents, attacking from angles they don't expect. Even when grounded, remember to use environmental cover to your advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.